No, you're not gonna have my llama! Sonic, help! Oh, you're saying help, but you're not gonna help him. So there's nothing for you to do now. Ha ha ha! Oh, you really want to go, bro? You really want to go? I gotta discuss this more. Fine. So, why are you gonna take my llama? Because I got this llama. He ran away from me. So, basically, I can have it. No! You're not gonna have my llama! I got that llama. You're gonna get in my house! You're gonna get out of my house! Ah! Ah! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh! 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 Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Oh God! Get him, Sonic! Get him! You like that, boy? Huh? Don't you? You like that, don't ya? Here's some more of it. Gotta turn this off. Turn it off. Turn it off. You want some more of this? No, I want my lesson, please. Well, you're gonna stick with it. We are liking or not. You're gonna stick with it. Ah! I think my toe's broken. Ah! Oh, like that. You think you're gonna get back my llama?
Ooh, why you always gotta need something from me, Brody?
Well, I'm not gonna get it back. I'm not gonna get. Don't know what that was. Yeah, I'm back to the fight, and I'm not gonna give you back the llama. Oh yes, you are, boy, because I am Sonic. You get my llama. Oh, thank you, thank you, Lena. Thank you.
Hey, Christian,
Bye, guys.